Alright, so I definitely just cleared my memory card like a dummy and deleted the clips that I took when I started this video, so I just gotta like recap real quick. Tyler's here. We're waiting on Chad. We've been waiting on Chad. That's what I said like an hour and a half ago or 2 hours ago when Tyler got here.
A few times.
A few times. So we pulled the diff out of the G, and we found out that it's an open diff, which is perfect for what we're doing today, which is welding the diff and getting it ready to drift. So got the diff here, got it open. We got a big plate of steel here, so we're gonna cut this out and weld this into here, and then we should be good to go on that one. And tomorrow we're gonna go drifting, and possibly Sunday, or maybe we're just gonna go Sunday. We're not really sure yet, but we will see. So I'm going to learn how to drift the car because I've never done that before, but I gotta get ready. So yeah, we're going to get to the diff now and catch up with you in a bit. Alright, so it's done. It's not that great, but hey, this is like my 5th time welding. We're getting there though. They're kind of uniform, you know what I mean? Some of them are pretty decent, you know? Something to work off of. But yeah, we got a really thick, I think it's a 1/2 inch thick plate on this side and a 1/2 inch thick plate on the other side. Alright, so we got the cars out here. Tyler Z's right there. I just threw a couple donuts with the welded diff. My first donuts. I kind of didn't get it recorded, but I'm gonna throw a few more. It'll be a little bit prettier.
They were good.
Maybe.
Oh, you should have threw her back around the other way.
All right, so I thought I rod knocked the G, but I didn't. It's okay. So this is just a little word of advice. If your G ever starts making some weird noise, before you go and say, oh my God, it's rod knocked, my engine is screwed, make sure you come in here and check on your purge valve solenoid. Now you can't quite see it because I have the kinetics manifold, but basically what it does is it takes gas tank fumes and it redistributes them somewhere, I think into the back of your throttle body. And basically when this module goes bad or it doesn't get sufficient vacuum pressure, it starts making a really loud clicking noise. And I've seen multiple cars get diagnosed as rod knock when it's this part that's small enough to fit in your pocket from the junkyard. And look what I found. The line right here is fucking broken, so it's fucking clicking because it's not getting the sufficient pressure. So whatever that sound was, it's not as bad as we thought it was. So I'm just gonna take off that clip right there, push the hose back on, and we should be good to keep sending her. Now I'm at the big boy area too. We came from the beginners drift circle over to the real drift track, and I might have slung it in the horseshoe once. It worked, kinda, a little bit. Alright, so we're out here at the compound. we got some clips. Chad joined us, and Chad gave me some tips and Tyler gave me some tips, and I did all right. First gear, first gear sliding. I put it in second gear and clutch kicked it once and spun out, so I mean, still got plenty to learn. I went off like 3 times, but I got off. I got like back on, so that's cool. At one point, the car overheated and I thought I killed it, but that's okay because we just let it cool down and added some water and bled it out and it was all good. And then at one point, the solenoid for the fuel actuator, there's a purge valve solenoid in here. The line split, and when that thing doesn't get enough pressure, it ticks and it sounds like an engine knock. So I got really scared about that until I saw that the line was broken, and then I fixed that and then sent it for some more laps. Car is good, just gotta make sure everything's gonna be good for the next time. And yeah, so thanks for watching the video, and thanks for watching me attempt to drift for the first time. We'll catch you guys on the next one.